Hello everyone. Today we'll conduct a detailed technical analysis of NVDA Corporation stock based on the last 3 months of data. We'll break down the analysis into the following sections: general overview and trend, price-volume relationship, moving averages, technical indicators, linear regression, next trading day opening estimate, support and resistance levels, potential intraday high and low based on ATR 14, possible scenarios, and conclusion. Additionally, I'll include a few key points to highlight. General overview and trend. NVDA stock has shown strong bullish momentum over the past 3 months, with significant growth punctuated by periods of consolidation. Starting at a closing price of $123.00 on May 12, 2025, the stock climbed to a high of $185.00 on July 29, a 50.4% increase, before closing at an estimated $180.76 on August 8, based on technical indicators and trend. Despite a slight pullback from the peak, the overall trend remains strongly bullish, driven by high trading volumes and positive market sentiment, likely fueled by NVIDIA's dominance in AI and semiconductor markets. Price-volume relationship. The price-volume relationship underscores the bullish trend with significant volume spikes. High-volume days include May 13, 330.43 million shares, close at 129.93, May 14, 281.18 million shares, close at 135.34, and May 29, 370.62 million shares, close at 139.19. Recent high-volume days, such as August 7, 286.03 million shares, close at 180.76, reflect continued strong market participation. Lower volume days like June 6, 159.99 million shares, close at 141.72, indicate consolidation. The positive OBV of 2.52 billion confirms cumulative buying pressure, aligning with the upward price movement. The high volume in late July and early August supports the sustainability of the bullish trend. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. Moving averages reinforce the bullish trend. The 5-day SMA at 178.3120 and EMA at 179.3882 are close to the estimated current price of 180.76, indicating short-term strength. The 10-day SMA at 178.3789 and EMA at 178.3895, the 20-day SMA at 173.7235 and EMA at 173.9922, and the 50-day SMA at 158.2522 and EMA at 159.8201 are below the price, supporting short and medium-term bullishness. The 200-day SMA at 135.6454 and EMA at 136.5235 are significantly lower, highlighting the long-term uptrend. Short-term indicators like WMA10 at 178.3789 and TEMA10 at 180.2295 align with the price, while COMMA10 at 173.5615 and TRIMA10 at 177.4317 suggest continued upward momentum. Technical indicators. Let's group the technical indicators for clarity. Momentum indicators. RSI 14 at 67.8166 is approaching overbought territory, signaling caution but not yet a reversal. Williams percent R14 at negative 16.1140 and stochastic RSI 14 at 66.6186 indicate strong momentum with potential for a pullback. MFI 14 at 70.9409 is high but not overbought, supporting buying pressure. Stochastic indicators. Stochastic K15 at 74.7179 and stochastic D15 at 76.3996 are elevated, while stochastic K5 at 68.0603 and stochastic D5 at 62.3680 reflect recent strength, suggesting potential for short-term consolidation. MACD. MACD at 6.3154, MACD signal at 6.6876, and MACD histogram at negative 0.3721 indicate bullish momentum, though the negative histogram suggests a slight weakening of the trend. Volatility indicators. ATR 14 at 4.4452 reflects moderate volatility. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at 183.00, middle band at 173.7230, and lower band at 164.2470, with the price near the upper band indicating strong upward momentum but potential overextension. Trend indicators. ADX14 at 44.5463 and DX14 at 45.6635 confirm strong bullish trend. Arun up 100 and Arun down 0 with Arun oscillator at 85.7143 further reinforce the uptrend. Volume-based indicators. Check-in oscillator at 99.4698004 reflects strong buying pressure, and OBV at 2.52 billion confirms significant buying volume. MFI 14 at 70.9409 supports the bullish sentiment. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF at 181817966 is slightly above the estimated price of 180.76, indicating the price is closely aligned with the short-term linear trend. Core 20 at 1.00 shows perfect alignment with the linear regression trend. DEMA 14 at 181.1030 near the price suggests stability with potential for continued upward movement or minor consolidation. Next trading day opening estimate. The estimated closing price is 180.76, with recent data showing intraday highs around 185.00 on July 29 and lows around 129.16 on May 23rd. The VWAP at 131.6174 is well below the price, indicating strong buying pressure. Given the near overbought RSI and high stochastics, I estimate the opening price for August 11, 2025, the next trading day after the weekend, to be in the 179.00 to 182.00 range. Strong volume could maintain the price in your 181.00, while lower volume might lead to a test of 178.00. Support and resistance levels. The estimated price of 180.76 is near the Bollinger upper band, 183.00, indicating potential overextension. Key resistance levels include the recent high at 185.00 and the psychological level of 190.00. Support levels include the 5-day SMA at 178.3120, 10-day SMA at 178.3789, and Bollinger Middle Band at 173.7230. The price is closer to resistance, suggesting potential for a pullback or consolidation. Intraday movement may range between 178.00 to 183.00, or test 175.00 if selling pressure increases. Potential intraday high and low based on ATR 14. ATR 14 at 4.4452 indicates the daily price range. From the estimated price of 180.76, the potential intraday high is 180.76 plus 4.4452 equals 185.2052, and the low is 180.76 minus 4.4452 equals 176.3148. However, near overbought indicator suggests the high may be capped at 183.00 to 185.00, and the low could find support around 178.00 to 180.00. Possible scenarios. Bullish continuation. If high volume persists and the 185.00 resistance is broken, the price could target 190 to 195.00, supported by the strong ADX and Arun up. Pullback or correction. Near overbought RSI at 67.8166 and MFI at 70.9409 suggest a potential pullback to 175.00 to 178.00, especially if volume decreases. Consolidation. The The price may stabilize in the 178.00 to 183.00 range, balancing buyer and seller activity, supported by the neutral MACD histogram and high Chaikin oscillator. Conclusion: NVDA stock has been strongly bullish over the past 3 months, rising from 123.00 to an estimated 180.76, a 46.9% increase, driven by high volume and positive momentum. Technical indicators like RSI at 67.8166 and MFI at 70.9409 indicate near overbought conditions, suggesting a potential pullback or consolidation. The price is likely to move within the 178.00 to 183.00 range intraday, with 175.00 as a key support to watch. Investors should monitor volume trends and the